3 years Lighting Europe in Brussels. What it meant to me was a tremendous learning of how the wheels rotate in the Brussels arena, and how, coming from the industry, you have to adapt and at the same time fight those wheels, because if you don't, you will never succeed in making a change. My aim was to make a change here in Brussels, a change in the way we worked with the Commission, an improvement, verbesserung, an amelioration. I'm saying it in all the several languages that they use here. But the aim was to improve, because the industry has to improve in the way they communicate with the Commission, and the Commission has to improve, maybe simplify the way they work with the industry. I met some very interesting people. I met some very stimulating people. But I think the most fantastic people was the team that I had around me. And together with the team, I was able to do what I have been doing, ending in this fantastic day, the first European Lighting Summit. Thank you all.
Today we had our first European Lighting Summit, and it was a very interesting day. We had a lot of speakers lined up around the 3 themes of the Lighting Europe strategy roadmap. The first theme was intelligent lighting systems, the second theme was human-centric lighting, and the last theme was circular economy. If I want to give you my conclusions of the meeting is as follows. I think that the industry is in a big changeover from a product and a hardware industry to a software and system industry. That means that our focus needs to change from purely cost of ownership to also being able to sell the benefit of use. And that means that we should not only concentrate on energy efficiency, but we should also concentrate on quality of lighting and human-centric lighting. We have developed the technology of LED, we have developed the technology of intelligent systems, so let now the user benefit from better lighting, high quality lighting, and lighting that is dedicated to the application and dedicated to the person that is using the light in a certain application. If I may say a few remarks to the regulators, is that we have now many rules that are poorly enforced, and we need to get to a few rules that are well enforced. So we need to get a reduction of the rules in 2 areas. First of all, we have a lot of product bans and product requirements that must be replaced, in our view, into system requirements, stimulation of renovation, and we do have a lot of environmental regulations, and that should be replaced by a focus on more modularity, upgradability and repairability. So that wraps up in a few minutes a very interesting and inspiring first European Lighting Summit.